This video is an introduction to EFC 3610 and EFC 5610 basic commissioning procedure using IndraWorks DS15. IndraWorks DS15 is a freely downloadable version of IndraWorks. The picture shows the connection points of the EFC drive. A mini USB cable is used for the communication between the EFC and PC. The driver for the EFC is automatically installed when the mini USB is connected. Apply mains power to the EFC and start IndraWorks DS. Then select serial communication under the File menu Tools. The EFC is identified as XFC COM03 in my case. The COM port number will vary depending on the PC configuration. If necessary, parameters can be set to factory default values by using the Restore Factory Default feature. This feature is useful when replacing an EFC. Most simple applications can be configured using the Wizard function. Wizard provides step-by-step guide to configure the application. Enter the motor name tag data. Motor power is 0.18 kilowatts, which we entered as 0.2 kilowatts. Motor rated voltage is 220 volts. Motor rated current is 1.02 amps. And motor rated speed is 1,710 RPMs. The power factor is 0.64, but this value is optional. Maximum output frequency, E0.08, sets the maximum system output frequency. E0.09 sets the maximum frequency of the application. The command value menu is used to configure the source of frequency command, source of run command, direction control, and rotational direction reversal. The voltage output curve can be either linear or square curve. In start mode, you can select direct start. This mode is used in applications with high static friction torque and low load inertia, or DC braking before start. This is used in applications which regular deceleration to stop or quick stop is required. Start with speed capture. In this mode, it's used after transfer power fault in applications with large load inertia. The frequency converter first identifies the rotational speed and direction of the motor, and then starts with the current frequency of the motor to accomplish a smooth starting without shock to the rotating motor. In stop mode, you can select deceleration stop. In this mode, the motor decelerates to stop according to the defined deceleration time. Or freewheeling stop. Once the stop command is active, the converter stops the output and the motor mechanically freewheels to stop. In acceleration/deceleration, acceleration and deceleration time defines the time to reach max frequency command or decelerate from the max frequency. Takeover remote control function allows users to verify the initial configuration by operating the EFC remotely. This function allows the user to control the speed without using an external control. Warning: the user is responsible for the safe operation of the system and must make sure the motor is in a safe operating condition. Enter the frequency or use the slider to set the running frequency. Typically apply a lower value such as 10 Hz to start the operation. Press the run and stop button to run the motor at the commanded frequency. Using configure mode, more detailed configuration is possible. Selecting a different operating mode such as V/F, volts per hertz, SVC, sensorless vector control, or FOC, field-oriented control, is possible from this menu. This shows analog input 1 configured as a frequency command source. The analog input can be adjusted to meet requirements. Different ramp configurations are possible based on digital inputs. It is not necessary to configure ramps, but for some applications it may be useful. This is an expanded screen for the motor output voltage to frequency output available in the wizard. Torque boosts can be used for boosting torque output at lower frequency. Thank you for making it this far to the video. I hope this information is useful. Have a nice day.